Achieve for Quantitative Literacy features tools and resources powered by Desmos. Macmillan has partnered with Desmos to integrate its accessible advanced graphing calculator into our math content in Achieve, both in our ebooks and in assessment. In the ebook, we've fully embedded interactive dynamic figures. Dynamic figures are carefully selected figures from the book that have been enhanced into a manipulatable digital format. This allows students to explore the concept within the text in a hands-on way as they read. Achieve also features assignments called Guided Learn and Practice, which include homework questions that feature dynamic figures. Students are provided with instructions on how to manipulate the parameters of the figure, and then they're asked to use the figure to complete their answer. Similar to other homework in Achieve, students are provided with hints, error-specific feedback, and fully worked solutions to guide them toward the correct answer and deepen their understanding. Dynamic figures help students connect graphical relationships with concepts or computation to help them visualize as they solve. Aside from assessment, instructors can present dynamic figures in class to illustrate key concepts, whether that's through face-to-face or online instruction. To learn more about dynamic figures and Macmillan's partnership with Desmos, visit macmillanlearning.com/achievemath or contact your local Macmillan representative.